Hey, all you Las Vegas tourists. If you're looking for a quick bite, Dr. Atomic Burgers has just opened up a location in the Lucky 38 Resort and Casino, recently acquired by one Robert House. And after years of asking, they have finally shown me how they make those great burgers that are available all over these great American commonwealths. One of the things they do is they don't use a grill for any of their burgers. They always pan fry them. And they pan fry them using butter. So they get a good amount of butter in the pan. And then they start laying down quarter-pound patties. And the seasoning was actually really surprising to me. It was just seasoned salt and freshly ground black pepper. And then each burger gets 2 flips. Finally, a slice of American cheese is added to each one of these patties. And I asked for a double bacon cheeseburger. So let's go assemble it the Dr. Atomic way. All right, we got a nicely toasted bun. They've added some mayonnaise to the top bun. Then we have one of our quarter-pound patties, followed by a couple of strips of bacon. Our other quarter-pound patty, this is a double cheeseburger after all. More bacon. Some thinly sliced white onions. Of course, pickles. As I always say on this traveling show, if a burger doesn't have pickles, it's garbage. And then some good old American ketchup. Put the top bun on. And serve with Dr. Atomic's fries. And there you have it. A Dr. Atomic double bacon cheeseburger. You can find these, again, at their new location in the Lucky 38, or pretty much anywhere all over this Commonwealth. We'll see you next time.